Even got a little bit kind of crazy. All the containers are color coded to the stain.
Really? That color it's on it right now? Oh, they are too. Cool way to pick them out.
Yep. Simplifies seeing
Instead
it
of
on the
just a
shelf.
little piece of chip up on
I like that, Tim. You brought. I forgot that all the bottles are color coded.
Yep.
You can grab them faster and run.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, I was a huge fan that my truck and my shop were organized so that all I had to do was open the door and take a peek. I knew what I was missing.
Yeah.
It saves so much time.
Yeah. Instead of looking at each can with stain slop down the side of it, and you can't read it.
I had 3-4 crews at one point in time, and time was money.
Yeah.
And when we're trying to organize our shop,
I had 3 crews at one time before 2008. I'm doing it myself now. Nobody wants to work either.
That's true. But I mean, to me, it was all
And everybody
about.
is too. Even Josh, PKL, they all had crews.
Yep.
I still don't know how Innovative's doing it. Holy shit, that looks black. What are you doing? That's not the same color on the jug.
Confidence. Someone's lacking confidence.
No.
It's always
This is
nice to
tobacco. Tobacco on hickory.
see your rep mess up right in front of everybody who is trying to demonstrate a product. I've done that before, though.
I've been doing this almost 41 years now.
Geez, you look pretty good, man.
Yeah.
How you been?
Pretty good. Remember your stuff? Hey, didn't even recognize you.
Glasses.
You've been here for a long time.
Yeah.
So the more vigorously you wipe it, the more vibrant the color.
I remember.
Yeah, it looks beautiful, Tim.
First to go down on hands and knees now. Bad knee.
Recommend roll on, wipe off, not wipe on, wipe off. Correct?
Correct.
That's tobacco on hickory.
Right? Beautiful. I like that color on hickory.
Tobacco and hickory.
And that's all water pop too, right?